Welcome guys, today I am with Blackview A90 and I'm going to show you how you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So for the first, you have to remember to prepare a good source of light to see every mess that you have on your screen, like the fingerprints, all the greasy marks and, for example, the pieces of the dust. So right now I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks a little bit closer, okay, like that. Another step will be about opening the box with your tempered glass. So inside there will be glass, and also you will get these two wipes. As you can see, we got the wet and the dry. So at the first we are going to start from this one. Okay, so as you can see here we have this wet wipe, and with this one we have to simply clean the screen and remove all of this pieces of the dust and other stuff from the screen. So you have to remember to reach every corner and edge, and after you finish it will look like that. So another step, the dry wipe, it's right here. So you have to also open it and then remove all of this wet marks from your screen. Okay, and when you finish, you are able to remove this foil from this bottom part of the tempered glass. So you have to grab this sticker and gently pull it towards you. As you can see, it goes very easy. And then hold this glass with your four fingers like that. And I can recommend you to start from this part, from the upper section of the phone screen. So keep holding the bottom part, put the upper section of the screen, of the tempered glass on your screen. Try to pour it correctly for the both edges. I think that in my case it's well placed, so I'm gonna put the finger right here, keep holding, and then try to do the same at the bottom. Okay, I think it's fine, so I'm gonna put this bottom part, and right now you can swipe up with your finger, and as you can see right now it goes almost automatically, but you can make it a little bit faster. And for example, as you can see right here, we have to manually press it to get it stick to our display. You are also able to install this glass on your foil. Okay, as you can see, we got here the bubbles, so take a look how easily we can remove them. Just put your fingernail right here in the corner, rise this glass a little bit until the bubbles disappear. Yeah, and right now put it and swipe with your finger. As you can see, there it is. We can make it like that. So right now we can turn on the phone, and at this time we can also just press to get it stick better, to remove this glue marks that you can find under the glass. So when you press on them, they will disappear. Okay, and as you can see right now, we successfully did it. Right now we are able to, for example, set up our phone, and as you can see, there's no any problem with the touch interaction. Everything works fine, even with two protection, because I installed this glass on foil of the factory installed foil. Everything is fine. So yeah, that's all for the Blackview A90. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.